Hi guys, welcome to Saudi foodie vlog. Non-veg pickle recipe. Tamarind 150 grams. Soak for half an hour. Mustard seeds 3 tablespoons. Fenugreek seeds 1 tablespoon. Make fine powder. Keep aside. Boneless chicken 250 grams. Ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons. Turmeric half tablespoon. Salt as per taste. Mix everything. Keep aside. In a pan, oil 200 ml. Fry the marinated chicken until changes color. Don't fry crispy. Now it's ready, perfect. Keep aside. In the same oil, mustard and fenugreek powder, red chili powder 150 grams, tamarind water, salt 4 tablespoons. Cook on low heat for 10 minutes. Now add fried chicken. Cook for 5 minutes. Off the flame. Now it's ready to store. Enjoy with rice, roti or sandwiches. Better than outside non-veg pickle. Cost effective. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.